nobody warns you about this side effect. You spent weeks researching your peptide protocol. You're reconstituting like a pharmacist, rotating injection sites like a pro. You feel like a biohacking genius. And then, your body becomes a weapon of mass destruction that makes your dog leave the room and your significant other start researching apartments. Today, we're counting down the peptides most likely to turn you into a one-person superfund site. From mildly inconvenient to genuinely hazardous. Let's go. Number 8. BPC 157. The healing peptide. The one you're taking specifically to fix your gut. And your gut thanks you by producing noises that would get you escorted out of a yoga class. BPC 157 is literally a gastric peptide. It remodels your gut lining and upregulates GI activity. Apparently, the sound of healing is horrifying. The good news is, it calms down after a week. The bad news is, that week will be the longest of your life. Number 7. AOD 9604. The fat loss fragment. This one doesn't hit everyone, but if you're stacking it with anything else on this list, you just poured gasoline on a fire that was already burning down your social life. AOD is like that friend who isn't causing trouble on his own, but the second he shows up to the party, everything gets worse. Number 6. Ipamorelin. Supposed to be the clean growth hormone secretagogue, the gentleman's peptide. And it mostly is. But it still stimulates GH, which speeds up gut motility. And when your gut speeds up, your bacteria work overtime. And when your bacteria work overtime, you become the reason your coworkers start a petition for remote work. Number 5. CJC 1295. Especially the DAC version. The extended half-life means sustained growth hormone elevation around the clock, which pulls water into your intestinal lumen and completely changes the environment for your gut bacteria. Your microbiome wakes up in a new world it didn't ask for and responds by producing enough methane to register on weather radar. Number 4. Semaglutide. The GLP-1 agonist that slows your gastric emptying so much that food sits in your stomach like a relative who showed up for the holidays and never left. While everything is just sitting there, your gut bacteria are throwing a fermentation festival with open bar. Tirzepatide is the same concept, but hits 2 receptors, so it's semaglutide that brought a friend. Number 3. ghrp6. This one makes you so hungry at 3 in the morning that you'd eat the packaging the food came in and then punishes you for every bite. The same ghrelin pathway that creates that psychotic hunger is simultaneously turning your intestines into an industrial operation. You wanted the appetite, you got the soundtrack. Number 2. Retatrutide. The triple agonist. GLP-1, GIP, glucagon. 3 separate metabolic pathways, all conspiring to slow your digestion to a geological timescale. Food enters your system and files for permanent residency. Clinical trials documented the bloating and gas getting worse at higher doses. Researchers used the phrase gastrointestinal disturbance. What they meant was participants became uninhabitable. Retatrutide is semaglutide's older brother who just got out of prison and has nothing to lose. And number 1, the undisputed champion, the final boss of peptide flatulence, MK677. It's a ghrelin mimetic that directly activates ghrelin receptors across your entire GI tract. It doesn't just increase gut motility, it turns every dial to 11 and then breaks the knob off. The hunger is violent. The gas is criminal. If peptide flatulence had a mascot, it would be MK677, wearing a hazmat suit riding a mushroom cloud. There is no peptide on Earth that will clear a room faster. I don't make the rules, I just report the data. Now, here's the plot twist. You're probably not running one of these, you're running 4. CJC and Ipamorelin on your GH axis. BPC 157 remodeling your gut. Maybe Retatrutide slowing everything to a crawl. Individually, they're manageable. Together, they form like Voltron, except instead of a giant robot, it's a gas event that could trigger a neighborhood evacuation. It gets better. In 2 to 4 weeks, your gut adapts. Until then, time your injections away from meals, get a quality probiotic, stay hydrated, and warn the people you love. If you want the complete dosing and stacking guide for every peptide on this list, plus 250 more, the BioHack Agent Protocol Guide is free. Link in the description. Hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me which peptide earned the #1 spot in your house. I know you have a story. I'll see you in the next one.